Does your Samsung dishwasher look like this after running a full cycle? This is Samsung dishwasher model number ending in 9550 US. Let's start the process of checking our filters and trying to get this system to drain. Remove the bottom tray. Turn this section down here counterclockwise, about a quarter of a turn. Slides out underneath. Might have some food on it, so I don't want that to go down any lower. You come down here, you get the deflector. Reaching in there, you got the filter. Super dirty. Particles come from the outside to allow the clean water to drain through the middle. So when you clean this, you want to spray from the inside out. Just very lightly with your fingers, pad or some sort of plastic pad. We'll clean this off. And then also down in here, there is a little button over here on the left hand side. You can't see it because of the water, but this button is for the propeller, impeller, trash pump, whatever you want to call it. Ouch. Take that and pull it up. You push this tab. It was in there like this. It was sitting in there like that. So you push this. Here's the little latch that holds it in. So you want to push it this direction and then lift it up. Get that out. So we got all of these parts. Let's clean them, and then we'll get the water taken out and take a look in the bottom to see what's stopping the impeller. Grab our spray nozzle and do it from the inside out so that you're not pushing anything farther in to your filter. And then you go to the outside, hit it a bunch of different directions. Just use it real lightly on the edge of this because it's a screen. You don't want to use a metal SOS pad because it might end up ripping the screen. So let's just get this wiped off, get the hairs and everything out of it. Somehow these little filters pick up a lot of lint. Clean it off here, rub it in different directions, up and down, side to side. Okay, there's one down. Go ahead and rinse this off. It's a little bit slimy. Okay. Next up, this is the screen that goes on top, so the water penetrates down this way. Stainless steel mesh. You don't want it going in farther, so flip it upside down. Clean it from this direction. That way you're pushing the material back out of it. Once you got the stainless steel screen cleaned off, then you can flip it back this way and just give it a wipe down. All of our filters are clean. Once you get everything cleaned, let's put everything back in. Put your tablet in, a little bit of rinse aid. Got it turned on. I always use Express and sanitize. Hit the start. Let's see what happens. Okay, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. About an hour and some change later. Dishwasher's finished running. Pull out the drawer, inspect the bottom, and we can see that it drained. Thank you all for watching the tips and tricks on how to clean and operate your dishwasher. 2 other things to keep in mind when you're doing your dishes is make sure the drain hose up under here is going uphill, because if this hose is lower or has a little bit of a droop in it, that could be the reason why your dishwasher is backing up. The other thing you want to keep in mind is your sink drain. Try to make sure that your drain stays clean, because if that gets clogged up, it can't suck air and it won't allow the water to drain.